A dangerous disease is diabetes. There's no denying it, but you can manage it just well by taking a few simple steps. Personal changes: you must strictly monitor your blood sugar levels and eat foods that prevent any diabetes complications. By staying active and adhering to a healthy meal plan, you will keep your blood glucose levels under control and lead a normal, long, and happy life. In this video, we will look at 12 foods that you should be eating if you have diabetes. No, they're not boring. They're delicious and good for you. Before we continue, a reminder that all information presented in this video has been objectively fact-checked and vetted by licensed healthcare specialists. 1. Salmon is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help protect your heart and lower the risk of inflammation in the body. If you need to add more fish to your diet, start with salmon. Try to have 2 salmon-based meals per week and substitute fried fish for baked, roasted, or grilled fish instead of fried fish. 2. Virgin extra olive oil to lower your cholesterol. Consume fewer saturated fats, such as olive oil. According to a review of 32 studies looking at various types of fat available, extra virgin olive oil contains oleic acid, a type of monounsaturated fat with great antioxidant properties that lowers post-meal triglyceride levels. Additionally, the polyphenols in olive oil help reduce inflammation and protect the lining of the blood vessels by reducing oxidation. Olive oil also promotes sustained satiety. Use only extra virgin oil from trusted sources. It is the least processed and has the highest antioxidant content, making it the healthiest. Drizzle some olive oil on salads or incorporate it into other dishes. 3. Shirataki noodles are a staple of Japanese cuisine and are incredibly nutritious. They include a fiber called glucosamine, which is produced from konjac root, and will help you feel fuller for longer, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight and a happy digestive system. Shirataki noodles also have a very low calorie and carbohydrate count. Shirataki noodles have been demonstrated to lower blood sugar levels and enhance heart health in diabetics. In a study on diabetic rats, researchers discovered that glucosamine from shirataki noodles reduce lower serum insulin and cholesterol levels. 4. Squash include yellow, green, or zucchini on your shopping list. Squash is one of the healthiest options for a low-carb and low-glycemic diet. In addition, squash is rich in antioxidant vitamins A and C that can improve insulin production and assist patients with type 2 diabetes manage their blood sugar. Moreover, squash has less sugar than sweet potatoes, allowing you to appreciate it more. The pumpkin polysaccharides in squash have been demonstrated in a number of experiments on rats to enhance insulin tolerance and lower serum glucose levels. Another small human trial found that squash could rapidly lower the elevated blood glucose levels in diabetics. Before we move on to the next food, if you like our video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new educational videos. Number 5. Tomatoes. The potassium and vitamin C in tomatoes can help you control your blood pressure. According to a 2011 study, consuming 2 medium tomatoes daily can help lower blood pressure and the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. You should prepare your own sauces at home in place of the tomato ketchup sold in supermarkets because it contains unhealthy amounts of added sugar. Number 6. Garlic may help lower cholesterol and blood pressure, which may reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, garlic is low in calories, contains manganese, vitamins B6 and C, fiber, and selenium. In addition, cooking with garlic is so simple and delicious that you can't help but admit it's good for you. Garlic stabilizes blood sugar levels, which can make it helpful for managing type 2 diabetes. 7. Strawberry. In fact, a 2017 study found that a 6-week consumption of strawberries and cranberries could improve insulin sensitivity in overweight adults. If you have diabetes and find yourself craving something sweet to eat, strawberries are a good solution because they are rich in antioxidants and have a low glycemic index, so you can have a few of them without any problems. If your mind attempts to convince you to eat unhealthy sugary foods, eat some strawberries instead. Number 8. Whole grains should make up your daily consumption of grains. Whole grains are rich in minerals and fiber. Fiber is a crucial component of a diabetic's diet since it slows down digestion for greater nutrient absorption and stable blood sugar levels. Whole grains also have a low glycemic index, so eating them won't cause a spike in your blood sugar levels. Hence, if you have diabetes, you should replace all of your white bread and pasta and rice with whole grain alternatives. Number 9. People with diabetes are known to have an increased risk of heart disease, therefore it's important for them to maintain a diet rich in fatty acids. Walnuts are rich in fatty acids that help keep the heart healthy. Moreover, walnuts give your body essential nutrients like vitamin B6, magnesium, iron, protein, and fiber. They will help you feel fuller for longer and have a low glycemic index, so you can eat them without worrying about your blood sugar levels rising. Number 10. People with diabetes can benefit from vinegar, especially apple cider vinegar, because it is low in carbohydrates and has a number of other health advantages. Moreover, it has important antibacterial and antioxidant properties. Studies suggest that the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can increase insulin sensitivity when ingested after meals. To lower the risk of a potential blood sugar spike, try mixing apple cider vinegar with water and drinking it before meals. Also, there are many great recipes that you can use your ideas for that utilize apple cider vinegar in salads if you're a huge fan of them.
Number 11. Dark leafy greens are abundant in fiber, magnesium, vitamin A, C, K and D. Include spinach, chard, and kale.
You might raise your levels of iron, calcium, and potassium by including lettuce and greens in your diet. Number 12. Flax seeds are high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help control blood sugar levels and lower the risk factors for heart disease. They also include other nutrients that are beneficial for people with diabetes and can help them manage their condition. Several studies have connected flax seed supplementation to a decrease in blood glucose, and a 2016 study found that those who are prone to diabetes can lower their blood pressure by consuming flax seed powder on a regular basis. Flax seed is advantageous for digestion because of its high fiber content, which enhances gut health and insulin sensitivity and helps you feel fuller for longer. Remember, maintaining a healthy and balanced diet is crucial for managing blood sugar levels and overall health. You can take control of your diabetes and feel your best. As always, consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and information. Thanks for watching.